What's up, YouTube? Today we're unboxing a case knife, and it's gonna look familiar. It is exclusive to SMKW. Let's look at this beautiful case boxing. All right. All right. Here we are. And when I first got it, my first impression is it's pretty positive. The only thing really wrong with this is there's a gap that runs the entirety of this back. And that's within cases tolerances, though. You're supposed to, if you can fit a business card into it, I think it's still okay. In any event, the gaps can get pretty big, and they're not going to take this back. When I first got it, it was more like this. I opened it and closed it. No half stops. It's much more on the right, but you know what? That's fine. This is going to be a user. It is by case, obviously. It's a Slimline Trapper. 1095 carbon steel. Very, very sharp. I am happy with this. It's always hard to tell what exactly, let me see how much this costs. What exactly is going to come from case. That's kind of the gripe everybody has. This was, I can't show the receipt because I'll dox myself, but $68. So for $68, 1095 carbon steel, made in America, brown burlap, looks really nice. I like the shield a lot. The gap is unfortunate because it's so big and it runs the entirety of the blade, but yeah, other than that, I'm happy with this. Well, we're $70. I don't know. That's a tough one. I think it's pretty properly priced, honestly. Maybe a little bit on the high side, but I mean, like $50 would be a steal, I feel like. 40 especially, so. I have another case Slimline Trapper. I may get it out at some point, do another video compared to this. It is CV steel, and it does patina and oxidize. But, and I actually should use both and see if I can tell the difference. Nice and smooth action. But yeah, I'm excited to have this, and I'm going to be using it. I don't know why I like this series of theirs, the 1095 from Case, and especially this SMKW exclusive, but I'm into this series. That's all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And that's it for now. Bye-bye.